It's been so long since we last met. How's everything going?
Yeah, it's been years. I am good. What about you?
Same here. Work, family, and life. But I really miss our tea talks like this.
Me too. By the way, this tea is perfect.
Thanks. I remember that you like it with a strong ginger flavor. Would you like some biscuits too?
Sure, I would love some.
Hello. Did you find everything you needed today?
Yes, thank you. Just these items?
Okay, let's see. Bread, 1 kilogram apples, a packet of cheese and butter. Is that it?
That's right.
Do you need a bag?
Yes, please. Just one.
Alright. Your total comes to 283 rupees.
Here you go.
Thank you. Here's your change, receipt and bag. Have a nice day.
Thank you. You too.
Good morning, Rahul. How are you feeling?
Good morning, doctor. I am feeling sick for a few days.
Okay, what are your symptoms?
I am having high fever from yesterday, along with cough, a runny nose, and fatigue.
Hmm, looks like a viral infection. It's common in this monsoon season. Are you experiencing any vomiting?
No, sometimes I have nausea but no vomiting.
Okay, I am prescribing you some medicines. Take proper rest and drink lots of water.
How long do I have to take the medicine?
Take them for 3 days. If you still do not feel better, visit me again on the fifth day.
Okay, thank you, doc.
Welcome. Take care.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, students. Have you all done your homework?
Yes, ma'am. It was very easy.
Good. I'm glad you found it easy. That means you have studied well.
Mom, I have a doubt.
Yes,
Mom, what is the meaning of plummet?
that's a commonly used word. It means to fall or drop straight down at high speed.
Okay, thank you, mom.
You can also learn the pronunciation, synonyms, and antonyms of this word or many other words in Namaste English app and YouTube channel.
We will, mom.
Now let's start our lesson, shall we?
Yes, ma'am.
ऐसे ही और इंग्लिश कन्वर्सेशंस सीखने के लिए नमस्ते इंग्लिश ऐप को डाउनलोड करें और उसमें इंग्लिश दीदी के साथ बात करें। यहाँ पे कई सारे टॉपिक्स से आप बात कर सकते हैं और अपनी इंग्लिश को इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं। और कंटेंट के लिए डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक, सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर। थैंक यू।